Today, we are on the northeast side of San Antonio in a new construction community located close to shopping, military bases, and downtown. Directly behind me is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house. So let's check it out and let me know what you think. Hey, so the exterior of this home is stone and brick. And it does have a 2-car garage and pretty high elevation. So we're gonna go up some steps to get to the front door. And the door does have iron railings on it, and it does have a keypad for entry. So as we enter into the home, we have our foyer here, and right off of the main door is the office of this home. So this is the main door right here. Does have 2 windows and the French double doors. So as we enter into the home, it opens up into the living room, the kitchen area, and the stairs are right here. But before we tour that, we're gonna go into the laundry room that does have decorative tile and a window with built-in shelving above where the washer and dryer connections are. And it's pretty spacious in here. The floor is that luxury vinyl flooring that's kind of like a lighter brown color. And we do have our half bathroom on the first floor that's right near the laundry room. And directly across from that entrance, we have our storage for under the stairs. Okay, so as we go into our living area, we have 3 windows that lead into the kitchen. And we have an island that fits about 3 to 4 bar stools. And we do have a pop-up outlet right here. This is where the refrigerator will go. And the color of the cabinets is like a darker blue. So we do have built-in appliances. We have the 42-inch cabinets. And the farm style sink. And we do have 3 pendant lights above the island. This is our eat-in dining area. And we do have a gas cooktop. Okay, so right off of the kitchen is our pantry. It's a walk-in pantry, so it's pretty spacious. And we have our mudroom with some extra storage cubby holes. And right off of that is our garage. So there are some steps that lead down to the garage. And in the garage door opener is already installed, and we have our hot water heater, and there is a sprinkler system for this home. Okay, so before we go into the primary, which is on the first floor. We're gonna check out the backyard. So it does have a door with the window so you can get a lot of light in. And we do have a covered patio. With the gas connection right here. And this lot, it's decent size, but it does kind of slope down a little bit, as you can see it. Well, it actually slopes up, but you can definitely roll down. If you're a kid, you'll have a blast rolling down. Or a big kid, don't matter. Okay, so we're going back into the home, and this is the primary bedroom. So it's pretty spacious. Definitely can fit king size bed in here for sure. So we have our double vanities with some storage cabinets, and we have a tub and shower combo with the frosted out window. And our walk-in closet. Okay, so as we enter and go upstairs, I would like to let you know, so this home is currently available now. And as I was saying, we are about 8 minutes from the Forum Shopping Center, and we are about 20 minutes from Randolph Air Force Base and about 25 minutes from Fort Sam Houston in downtown San Antonio. So if you're interested in this home and you would like to see it, you can always reach me. The contact details will be in the description below. And if you're relocating to San Antonio, feel free to check out my relocations guide. That will be in the description below as well. So right up the stairs is our loft area. So these are the stairs, and then so as we come up the stairs, we have our first bedroom. With the walk-in closet that does have a window. And ceiling fans in the rooms. Okay, so right between the bedroom and the bathroom, there is a storage closet and a bathroom that has a tub, the toilet, and then a single vanity. Okay, and in the hallway, we do have another storage closet. Okay, so this is our second bedroom upstairs. It also has a ceiling fan. And walk-in closet. And right across from the closet, we have another closet that you can use for linen or products because the bathroom is right here. So you have your double vanity along with a door that separates the toilet and the shower and the tub combo. Okay, and this is our third bedroom upstairs. It has 3 windows, and don't know if you can see I-35, but you are able to see I-35 from this bedroom, along with the new hospital that they're building in Selma. Okay, so this is our walk-in closet. So this concludes our tour. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and just under 2,800 square feet. So if you're interested, like I said, it is available. I can be reached at 830-369-1776. Thanks.